So there's several things that prompt patients to come see an allergist immunologist. Some patients are referred from their primary care doctors, and many patients seek subspecialty care because of recurrent infections. So when we see patients who come to us with recurrent infections, we will usually do an immune workup on them to make sure they don't have immune deficiency, and if they do, get them on the appropriate treatment.
I had chronic gut issues, and I had pneumonia at 6 months, chronic illnesses throughout my whole life, and I've been to many doctors, many specialists my entire life, and have never found a solution to this problem. When I went to Dr. Leon, he did some testing, and as soon as he did that, he realized that I had a common variable immune deficiency.
Because Lori had this condition, she was suffering not only from chronic intestinal issues, but she was also having issues with recurrent infections and chronic fatigue. As part of her treatment, we've actually started Lori on subcutaneous gamma globulin to help supplement the immune deficiency that she has, and she's had a remarkable improvement in her quality of life.
The first dose I took of that greatly improved my symptoms. My gut issues went away. I had extreme IBS that's completely gone, resolved overnight, and I have not been sick since taking the first dose. So he's literally saved my life, and my quality of life has gone up tremendously.
For her, it's going to be a lifelong treatment because she doesn't have appropriate antibody production. Not only is treating the immune deficiency and the recurrent infections important, but these patients can also be at risk for some other issues such as autoimmune disease. They can have issues with malignancies. They can have issues with their lungs, which can be very serious. So it's important that these patients get diagnosed early so we can treat the potential complications early before things get even more serious.
I think he is extremely concerned with my well-being, and because of him, my well-being is, I have quality of life. I'm able to do things I've never done before, and it's just wonderful. It's like I've started living at age 46. He has saved my life.